Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we underline or remove the underline from this Microsoft Word. So as you can see here, we have few headings where we have applied different kinds of underlines. This is the zigzag line underline, this is a simple line underline, this is double line underline, and this is dotted line underline. So to remove it, what we have to do is we just have to select it. Select this one, underline, or you can select and then press Ctrl plus U. Okay, so now one line is removed. Again, you just select and press Ctrl plus U. Similarly, if you want to underline, just select the line and then click on this underline to underline. Currently, the line selected is the dotted line. If you want to change, then you just select this one and it will be applied. So this way guys, you can apply underline or you can remove the underlines in Microsoft Word. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.